France has just dropped a diplomatic bombshell, one that could shake the entire world stage. President Emmanuel Macron has declared that France will officially recognize the State of Palestine. Yes, you heard that right. A major Western power is now throwing its full weight behind Palestinian state. The formal announcement will be made in the front of entire world at the United Nations General Assembly in September. Well, Macron is calling it a historical decision. But to understand why this matters so much, we need to rewind the history. Let's go back to 1948, the year Israel was created. It was also the year when over 700,000 Palestinians were forced to flee their homes. Some call it a war, others call it a Nakba. Ever since then, Palestinians have been demanding their own country, a land where they have full control, borders and capital, foreign recognition, but the world hasn't given it to them. Why? Because the issue is deeply political. Many countries, specifically the West, have either backed Israel or stayed silent. They said that we'll support a Palestinian state, but only when there is peace. Decades have passed, peace never came, wars did. In fact, a lot of things happened over there. Settlements were expanded, Gaza was bombed, and Palestinians, well, they were left waiting for a future that never arrived. Now, Macron says that it's time to stop the war in Gaza, time to send humanitarian aid, and time to support the creation of a real, peaceful Palestinian state. He says that this state must be peaceful and demilitarized, meaning that there will be no weapon aimed at Israel and no more bloodshed, a state that can live side by side with Israel. But why now? Because the Gaza war has become too brutal to ignore. Thousands of lives have been lost. Europe is under a lot of pressure to act. Spain, Norway, and Ireland have already recognized Palestine. France's move will add some more weight and send a very clear message to both Israel and the world. The two-state solution is not dead, not yet. Of course, Israel is not happy about it. Israeli officials are warning that such recognition rewards terror and undermines peace talk. But critics say that, what peace talk are you talking about? For years, there has been no real dialogue, just conflict and silence. Now here's a bigger picture. France is trying to revive the dream, a Palestinian homeland, and reshape global politics at the very same time. Will other countries follow? Will this spark a new wave of recognition, or will it deepen division even further? This isn't just about speech anymore, it is a statement, a gamble, and maybe, just maybe, the start of something historic.